those are just boxes for packing, so they won't take long to move. And of course, over here, those are just piles and piles of tubs, again, for packing. So even though it looks really messy, it'll be cleared out of here like that. So, tons and tons of paint and crafting projects are there. This is the hard part, is all these little things and knowing what to do with them. Lots and lots of fabric. Racer magazines. Oh, where's that? Can't find. Racer magazines. We got these things all over. Old one. So yeah, the tough part right now is we've gotten rid of the stuff that, you know, is easy to get rid of, and then you run into the things that you're not sure. Is it keep it, but then you have to store it? Does it go in the RV that we're going to be using it? Or do you have to part with it? So like here, my dad saved all kinds of hats. I've literally gotten rid of at least 50, but now we're running down to the ones that, like, these are IndyCar ones, and they're signed. I think that's signed by Ari Lyondike. Do you get rid of them, or do you save them? Because they're really pretty cool. Yeah, right in that category, old family photos. Especially when they're like really old family photos and you don't even know who's in them. Alright, so now we're at Home Depot. We've got to go get some countertops ordered to replace the countertops in our kitchen because they're just kind of old, beat up. There's a couple of burns on them, so it's really cold. I'm going inside. I think I should get one of these for the front of the RV. That'd be cool.
Nah.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, they probably have them inside, so let's just...
Oh yeah, where it's warmer. Yeah, that's a good idea. Alright, so struck out at the countertop ordering because, first of all, they won't come out and measure it if they're not installing it, and I have someone else lined up to install it. And color will be picked out after like 20 minutes. Is not available in the non-glossy finish, and we wanted matte finish, so.
It's frozen.
Wow. Oh, that was a good plan.
Well, I can put it on
So
dairy.
we found the free hot chocolate. Problem is the water's frozen in the gallon, the 5-gallon thing, so you're just gonna drink creamer and eat some creamer. Okay, so it was total fail town at Home Depot. We didn't get a countertop, we didn't get flooring, so now we're gonna try plan B. We need to go to Kohl's. They have a piece of furniture that's gonna work, it might work, for in the RV for at our dinette, where we need some sort of storage and like something to attach like a piece of a table to. So I saw it online, now we gotta go to Kohl's and check it out. They have it in store. Complete failure. They didn't have what I thought they had. So now we stopped 2 places and got nothing. I really hate shopping.
So I also have that clear in the basement. I have, see that tub of the like spice cakes, something like that. So these all were in the box, like not sorted, anything, with the lids off, so I put the lids on them. So there are other areas of the house that look far worse since we've been downsizing.
What are we doing, Daddy?
Placing outlets and light switches.
Okay, off I go to show how the rest of the house actually looks worse.
Yeah,
there we go. So
we're ending up with more stuff. We're trying to get rid of stuff, but it looks like we have more stuff now. So I can hardly even move through some of these rooms.
we actually slept on this bed last night. I'm not sure how. So this is like every day. This is how like stuff looks. So yeah, we actually slept in this bed, and in the past hour I've done this to it.
Howdy, partner. Oh, good. Oh, okay.
I also helped, like, my play area. I completely basically cleaned it. Like, I got this stuff, I put it on the wall so it was nice and clean.
Alright, So, if this little video tour has taught me anything, it is that I am doing a really bad job of clearing out this house. Because we are supposed to be out in 2 weeks, and there is a ton of stuff to do yet. And I did not realize just how much stuff until I like walked around videoing all of it. But at least this room is empty. The dogs are barking because we are right below Clover, the bunny's room. Because yes, she does have a whole room. She even has her own like bathroom in there too. Full bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, the whole deal. So we are right below her room, and the dogs hear her clicking around. She's hopping around up there playing, having a good old time. And it's driving Pepper crazy because Pepper would like to go up and eat the bunny. So look at this. Whole big space. I could not do this a week ago. So this is one of my favorite artwork things from high school. This is George the Duck that my mom named him. And he has been hanging out in this basement for like 20 years. So we're about 2 months into our whole downsizing adventure of trying to get the house ready to sell so we can go full-time RVing. And we've got about 2 more weeks to go. Looking around the basement, that kind of looks like it might be impossible. But really, I've gotten rid of a ton of stuff and there's not too much left to go. I think the rest of this, I can get it out of here